So I'm gonna shoot the pitch. Yeah. Woke up in the morning, hear an alarm on my phone. Hear that there's an asteroid coming down to destroy Earth. I'm like, damn, I look outside, see an asteroid coming right down. Head back in my house, I gotta grab my Uzi, cause I know what's coming. Some aliens are coming, tryna fight me, tryna end the world. I know the asteroid ain't gonna do shit. It's the aliens which are hiding inside, hiding inside, hiding inside the asteroid. Next thing you know, it just passes by Earth, but some mini asteroid still falls down. Yeah, they hit Earth, our world, death of our world, not today. So later then, after 5 minutes, I call up my boys. Say we got a little problem. Say we got a little problem. Grab your Uzis, we are about to make a move on these alien bitches. So then grab their Glocks, pull it up, grab it out, yo 9, yo AK, your Uzis. So then we walk out. Already some aliens, so I get in my GTR, start hitting them in my GTR. Pull down the window, pull out my Uzi, gotta shoot them. Made it to my boy's house, made it to the chill slash the squad. Make it to their house, we chillin', kill all the aliens inside, made a safe zone. Now we chillin' all night.